Hello everyone. If you still think Google Maps automatically wins 2026 might surprise you because after years of updates, the Apple Maps has become seriously good, and depending on your phone and how you travel, you might actually be using the wrong application. So here in today's video, we are going to be comparing Apple Maps versus Google Maps in 2026, and we will also see which one you should be using as of 2026. Now, first of all, let's take a look at the Google Map. So as you can see, this is the Google Map available. So Google still dominates when it comes to the global coverage, business information, and the public transport. It has better data in the smaller towns and the rural areas, plus more reviews, more photos and menus, opening hours. So in 2026, Google added the new Gemini AI feature as well that can answer travel questions inside the application. It is also going to suggest the places and even create the smarter trip plans. So Google Maps is also better for the online maps, for multi-stop trips, for Android users, EV route planning with charging predictions, street view coverage. So if you travel a lot or constantly explore the new places, Google Map is still incredibly hard to beat. But here is where Apple Map fights back. So Apple Maps now looks cleaner and smoother and honestly less stressful while driving. The navigation instructions feel more natural, especially with CarPlay and Apple Watch integration. And privacy is also biggest difference here. Unlike Google, Apple focuses more on the minimal data collection, which matters for a lot of users. So the real question here is which one should you actually choose? So if you want more powerful all around map application, Google Map certainly wins here. But if you use an iPhone and if you care about clean design, privacy and smoother navigation, Apple Maps is honestly better than many people expect in 2026. So if this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.